Hi everyone! In this short video, I'm going to show you how to create a new form in ThoughtFarmer Form Flow. There's actually two ways in which you can build a new form. You can start from scratch, or if you have a few forms already, you can clone an existing one and start from there. For the purpose of this video today, we're going to assume that this is your very first time creating a form, so we'll start from scratch. The very first thing we'll do is click on our name here on the top right, and from there we'll see a menu with a forms option. Clicking that is going to take you into our forms builder. Here we are. Now let's say we, for example, want to create a leave request or a vacation form. We'll begin by selecting add a form here, and then we're going to give it a name. We'll call this form leave request, and then I'm going to hit on save. Now, as you can see, form flow is all drag and drop. So all of our fields are available on the left, and then I can drag them into my form field to start adding them. I'll add a simple text field here first for people to fill out their name. The next one here is I'm going to add a drop-down field where people can select the type of leave that they want to request. In the drop-down field, you can add multiple choices here. Now, if some of these fields are mandatory, you can slide this required slider here to make sure that people aren't able to submit a form before filling out these required fields. So I will do that for this one here. Click on save, and then I'll add a few date fields as well, where people can indicate what the start and end date will be for their leave. You can also add section breaks in a form by sliding the section break field over into the main form area. This can be handy if you have different sections or separate areas of the form that you want to build out. So let's add another field here. Maybe for those people who book some medical leave, we want to be providing them with an option to type in their physician name. What we want to do here in this case, the physician name field is only going to be relevant for those people who select the medical leave. So I'm going to add some form field logic in this field here to make sure that the physician name field is only going to show up when the medical leave type is selected. So I'm going to edit my field here, and you'll notice that there's a logic option for each different choice in the dropdown. So I'm going to click on add logic under the medical selection. And what we want to make sure is that when medical leave is selected, we're going to show the field physician name. Now, I won't go through all of the different field options that we have here today, but one that I did want to show you is this table option. I'm going to add a table here in my second section, and it pops it right in there. And now I can add a few columns here. Give the table a name. So let's say, for example, that this is a spot where the form submitter can add in all of the information about any dependents they may have on their health plan. I'm going to click on save. And now I can go in every column, set it up with different field types as needed. So the first one here, the first column, we're going to use that to type out the name of the dependent, just a simple text field. In the second one, we're going to provide some options for people to show or indicate the relation they have to this dependent. And the last one, we'll make that's a date field. Maybe we'll have that display the date of birth. Click on save. So now people can fill this out and add as many rows as they need to when they can fill out this form. Once you have all of your fields added, you can scroll back up and click on preview to get an idea of what your form will look like. If I select the medical type of leave here, note again how this physician name field is now going to show up because I added that field logic.